So this is after a session today. I rinsed it. I undid these center bolts here, took the horizontal portion of the wing setup off and greased it with the white lithium grease. Screwed it back down. So this one, I dismantled it yesterday. So I think I'm just gonna basically unscrew these. Some of them, this is a Allen wrench set up from the Keenalo. Some of them come with a Phillips head. And so there's still lithium grease in there from yesterday. So I'm just gonna loosen that and then rinse it with some water that I'm not about to squirt in my face. Just to try to get it in there. One thing I was reading up about is that, any little grains of sand can attach themselves. I think I may have mentioned that earlier on the phone. So just try to, flush it out. It didn't say anything about drying them out. I guess you could. But the cool thing about the foil setup and this tiny board, it'll fit in any car, and you can totally take it on an airplane trip. I mean, it's not much more than the size of a boogie board or the Ketch Surf Beater. So, and then there's the rear. A lot of them are different setups. I think that the Nash one has like a lot of bolts here, and then they have like a quick release plate system, which is more hydrodynamic, but doesn't really matter because once it lifts out of the water. So this is the way I have it set up now. There goes the donkey. Today was not as good as yesterday as far as what happened. I'm hunched over too much. I fell a lot. I got one half successful ride, so watch some more videos about where to put my feet and everything. They say have it stretched, or not stretched, move to the back of the box for beginning, and then move forward for more lift. And there's called angle of incidence and angle of attack. And if the board has more rocker, then the mast would be less vertical, which increases or decreases angle of attack and incidence. There's some videos online of it. Ironically, or strangely, there's a lot more videos about SUP foil surfing, and more so than prone foil surfing. Blue Planet Hawaii has a lot of tutorial videos. Another guy, Clay Island videos. He filmed his first 75 SUP foil sessions, and you can see his progress. So, but all in all, I think I'm just muscle memory. I'm just going to keep doing it. Got to stand more upright, weight on the front, feet even on the board, and I'll just stick with it. I'm going to take the other wing with me, and because I think this one is really creating a lot of lift. And then, what was the other thing he mentioned in the email to me? I can email it to you. About you can put a couple shims in there, which would increase or decrease this angle, kind of like the ailerons on an airplane, like literally. So this would be upside down or right side up in the water, and it's going to either even out the lift or increase it. And since every rider has a different stance and everything's kind of unique, basically that's kind of how it works. I'm still a total noob at this, but